Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Technology's moving at lightning speed, isn't it? Feels like every single day there's a new breakthrough, a new gadget or a new app that completely changes the game. From the artificial intelligence that's getting smarter by the second to the smart devices that we carry in our pockets, innovation is fundamentally reshaping how we live our lives, how we do our jobs, and even how we connect with each other. It's a lot to keep up with, I know. That's why in this video, we're going to break it all down. We explore the key technologies that are truly shaping our future and explain exactly why they matter to you more than ever before. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the big one, artificial intelligence, or AI. This isn't just science fiction anymore. AI is transforming industries all over the world. Think about it. It's automating the boring, repetitive tasks that used to take up so much of our time, freeing us up to focus on more creative and strategic work. It's also analyzing vast, complex sets of data in seconds, giving us insights that would have been impossible for a human to find. This helps us make smarter, faster, and more accurate decisions. Today, AI is already a critical part of so many fields. In healthcare, it's helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier. In finance, it's detecting fraud and managing investments, strengthening our security systems, and yes, it's even being used in creating digital content just like this video. AI is the engine driving a new era of efficiency and intelligence. Now let us bring it a little closer to home and talk about the tech you use every single day. Smart devices. Your smartphone, your smartwatch, your smart home speakers. These have become indispensable tools in our modern lives. Right? They are so much more than just phones or gadgets. With their incredibly powerful processors and intelligent software, these devices have become our personal assistants, our fitness coaches, and our creative studios. They help us stay productive on the go, unleash our creativity through photos and videos, and even monitor our health and well-being in real time. Technology has never been more personal, more intuitive, or more accessible than it is right now, sitting right in the palm of your hand. It's truly amazing when you stop and think about how integrated and essential these smart devices have become. So what does all this mean for us? It means we're living in one of the most exciting times in human history. The fusion of powerful AI with accessible smart devices is creating a world of possibilities we could only dream of a decade ago. Imagine a future where your doctor gets an alert from your smartwatch about a potential health issue before you even notice any symptoms. Or a world where your daily commute is handled entirely by an intelligent self-driving car, giving you back precious time. This isn't a distant dream. It's the direction we're heading. The key is to embrace these changes, understand them, and learn how to use these powerful tools to improve our lives. The future isn't just happening to us. We are all a part of creating it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, make sure to hit that like button. And subscribe for more content on the future of tech. See you in the next one.